Hello everyone, I am Sarvari Joshi and you are welcome to Learn Everything Online. I am your instructor for all your maths videos. Magic squares. Trick I am explaining to you today is applicable for creating magic square of odd dimension. Example, square of 3 by 3 or 5 by 5 or 7 by 7 and so on. Just the square of odd numbers. So what is magic square? Magic square is a square in which we fit consecutive numbers in such a way that the total of all rows, columns and diagonals is the same. In this example, since there are 9 cells in the magic square, you will notice that the consecutive numbers from 1 to 9 are fitted in such a way that the total of all rows, columns and diagonals is 15. Now we are going to create a magic square of the dimension 3 by 3. Let's learn how to fit the numbers in a certain way so that our answer is all the same. Okay, what we do first is put 1 in the center of the square in the last column. So the last column of the cell is this and we have fitted 1 in the center of the last column. Next, we move to the southeast direction from this square. However, there is no square in the southeast direction and hence we must create an imaginary square in the southeast direction. So, this is the direction and this is our southeast direction. Now, we have to move the number, not the number, but we have to move the square in order to get our second number. So now here is an imaginary square. So no square is present in the southeast direction. So we have taken an imaginary square. Now what to do? However, you cannot put anything in the imaginary square. Hence, number 2 will be written in the square farthest from it. Hence, number 2 will be in the opposite square. So this imaginary square moved here, which is farthest opposite, and number 2 is on its position now. As we did before, we will draw an imaginary square in the southeast direction from 2 for the next number, that is 3. So the imaginary square for 2 lies here. As imaginary square was drawn there, so the number 3 went to the opposite furthest side, which is right here. Now comes the real question. Here, while moving further in southeast direction, the square is already filled with the number 1. So in a condition like this, the next number always goes in the west direction. So here is our west direction. So the new number will go right here. And our number 4 has appeared in the west direction. So now the number has got its position. Now the next number, which is 5, will go in the southeast direction, which is right here. As a number 5, the next number 6 will also come in the southeast direction. Number 6 has got its position. Now an imaginary square cannot be drawn in the southeastern direction from 6 because it will not give us opposite location or position inside a square. It will go outside the square. So now, as we have learned before, we write the number 7 in the west direction. An imaginary square will be drawn in the southeast direction from 7 and then move to the furthest opposite position with the next number 8. So now 8 has appeared on its position. An imaginary square will be drawn in the southeast direction from 8, which is right here, and then the square will move to its furthest opposite and 9 will get its position here. So this is how we complete our magic squares. Do practice more squares like this, but remember you have to use the odd dimensions: 5 by 5, 3 by 3, 7 by 7, 11 by 11, 15 by 15, etc. Try this kind of sums and tell us if they worked for you. Thank you.
So did you find this video helpful? Solve this kind of sums and share this video with all your friends. Do comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel and also turn on the bell icon. Bye bye.